Before trying a new product, it's always helpful to hear from other people who have had experience with it and to see what it's done for them. In this video, we'll show you some fabulous gardens that Bobbex customers have sent us, crediting our products for keeping deer and other plant-damaging critters at bay. Alongside, we'll show testimonials from Bobbex customers. These testimonials pertain to these customers' own gardens and not always specifically the gardens being shown. We hope these customer comments and photos show you that your garden can be beautiful with Bobbex. For more garden inspiration and tips, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.